Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best baby cross-stitch patterns is probably one of the most heartwarming crafts you can undertake, allowing you to create personalized and adorable keepsakes. Whether you're looking to decorate a nursery, create a unique baby shower gift, or simply enjoy the therapeutic process of cross-stitching, these patterns offer a wonderful way to celebrate the arrival of a new baby. Get ready to explore a world of charming designs and create something truly special. Number 5. Dimensions Baby Drawers Cross-Stitch Birth Record Kit. This cross-stitch kit helps you create a beautiful birth record. It's a unique way to celebrate a new baby, and it's easy to personalize. The kit includes everything you need to get started. It comes with pre-sorted cotton thread, a needle, and easy-to-follow instructions. The design features colorful drawers filled with cute stuffed animals. There's space to add the baby's name, birthday, and birth weight. Once completed, this piece measures 9 foot x 12. It's the perfect size to display in any nursery. This kit makes a wonderful gift for new parents. They'll cherish this personalized keepsake for years to come. It's full of fun colors and cuddly animals. What we like? This kit allows you to create a personalized birth record. It features a colorful and cute design with adorable stuffed animals. If you are looking for a unique and memorable gift to celebrate a new arrival, this is a perfect choice. It's a complete kit, making it easy to get started. What people say. The pattern was very easy to read and it looks very pretty when finished. This kit comes with everything you need to complete it. It has all the threads and a clear pattern to follow as well as the letter chart to add in your customization. Directions are clear, thread and Ida are good quality. The shading is great. Number 4. Dimensions Baby Hug Savannah Birth Record Kit. This is the Baby Hug Savannah Birth Record Kit. It's a perfect way to create a personalized keepsake for the little one. The kit includes everything you need to get started. Inside, you'll find 100% cotton cross-stitch threads, a 14-count ivory Ida, a stitching needle, and easy-to-follow instructions. It has everything you need to create a beautiful piece. Once completed, this counted cross-stitch kit measures 12 inches by 12 inches. It's the perfect size to display in the nursery. It will be a great decoration. Stitch a colorful safari animal birth record. You can customize it with the baby's name, birthday, and birth weight. It's a fun and creative project. After finishing, hang it in your safari-themed nursery. It's a unique, handmade decoration that you'll cherish for years to come. It's a great gift idea too. What we like? This kit features a gender-neutral design with a charming safari animal theme. You can customize it with the baby's name, birthday, and birth weight. If you are looking for a delightful and versatile gift for any baby, this is a fantastic option. It's perfect for a safari-themed nursery. What people say. I found the pattern very easy to use. Blocks of the same color make for fast stitching. The colors are bright and cheerful, perfect for a baby's room. The pattern is straightforward and easy to follow, but still complex enough that I feel like I'm getting a challenge while creating something that looks good enough to be placed on someone's wall. Number 3. Design Works Crafts T21761 Baby Quilt. Today, we're excited to introduce this adorable baby quilt from Design Works Crafts. It's a perfect project for anyone who loves to create something special for a little one. This quilt is made from a soft poly cotton blend, and it comes pre-bound for your convenience. The bunny design is stamped on the fabric, ready for you to bring it to life. The kit includes embroidery floss in a variety of colors, so you have everything you need to get started. This makes it easy to personalize and add your own touch. A needle and complete instructions are also included, guiding you through every step of the process. It's designed to be easy to follow, even for beginners. This baby quilt is proudly made in the USA. It's a wonderful way to create a cherished keepsake. What we like? This is a stamped baby quilt with a cute bunny design. It's easy to stitch, making it a great project for beginners. If you like a simple and adorable project to welcome a new baby, it's a great choice. What people say. The quilt is very cute, well marked, and the thread is separated. The blanket is the perfect thickness. The pattern is cute and was easy to sew. Cute design, good value for the money. Easy to follow. Number 2. Janlynn Baby Woodland Love Quilt Kit. Today, we're showcasing a charming quilt kit from Janlynn. This kit is perfect for creating a beautiful baby quilt. The design is called Woodland Love, featuring a delightful theme. It's a wonderful project for anyone who enjoys crafting. The finished quilt will measure 34 by 43 inches, a perfect size for a baby. This quilt will be a cherished keepsake. The kit includes a pre-finished quilt made of a polycotton blend, embroidery floss, a needle, and instructions. Everything you need is included. This Janlynn kit is proudly made in the USA. You can be assured of its quality and craftsmanship. What we like. This kit includes a pre-finished quilt with a lovely woodland theme. It's made in the USA, ensuring quality and craftsmanship. If you are looking for a charming and ready-to-stitch project, this is a great option. What people say. Needed a quick blanket as time was short and the cross-stitching was fast. The letters are steel gray and gray. You can always change colors to suit your ideas for the final product. Pattern is easy to follow. Number 1. Janlynn Stamped Baby Quilt Kit in the Jungle. This is a delightful cross-stitch kit from Design Works Crafts. It's a Janlynn kit designed for creating a charming baby quilt. The kit includes a pre-finished quilt made of 100% polyester microfiber. This makes it easy to start your cross-stitch project right away. Inside, you'll find 100% cotton embroidery floss and a needle. Everything you need to bring the jungle scene to life is included. The kit comes with a fully illustrated chart and easy-to-follow instructions. They will guide you through every step of the process. This high-quality kit is proudly made in the USA. It's a wonderful way to create a special keepsake for a baby. The package dimensions are 6.0 centimeters in length, 28.1 centimeters in height, and 23.1 centimeters in width. It's a compact and convenient package. What we like. This kit features a microfiber pre-finished quilt with a fun jungle theme. It comes with complete instructions, making it easy to follow. If you like a vibrant and easy-to-follow project, this is a great choice, perfect for adding a touch of the wild to a nursery. What people say. Great fabric to work with, wish crosses were a little bigger. The chart could have been larger print, but worked up very nicely. Quilt is printed very well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.